Okay, so use the formula h times a plus b divided by 2 to find the area of a trapezium. Okay, so the trick here is really to identify the different parts of the trapezium so that we can actually substitute their values into our formula. So let's see if we can accomplish that. So if we look for A and B, now it's quite hard to spot A and B sometimes, but it's generally very easy if you remember that sides A and B, they have to be parallel to each other. So this side and this side are not parallel to each other, so for sure they are not A and B. This side and this side are parallel, so they must be A and B. So let's make 6A and let's make 9 side B. So we need the height, right? So that's this H, and the height will always be at right angles to A and B. So in this particular case, it's here, and we know the value, it's 5. And then that would be divided by 2. And so we just follow through with what we have to do. Let's tidy this up a little bit. It would be 5 times 6 plus 9, which is 15, right? And that would be divided by 2. So 5 times 15, let's use our calculator, why not? So let's clear our calculator. 5 times 15 equals 75, and that would be divided by 2. And let's use our calculator again. 75 divided by 2 equals 37.5. Excellent, 37.5. And the unit of measurement is meters. We're talking area, so it's squared. And that's how you would solve a problem like that.